Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will dive deep into a comprehensive comparison between two famous e-commerce platforms Shopify and WooCommerce. If you are looking to set up an online store or switch platform, this video will give you all the information you need to make an informed decision. Now, I am not sponsored by these companies. I am simply sharing my personal experiences with them. However, if at any point you decide to check out Shopify, we have provided a special discounted link in the description below. With the world of e-commerce rapidly evolving, finding the right platform for your online store may seem overwhelming. However, with the right knowledge, it does not have to be. We have extensively researched and tested Shopify and WooCommerce, so you do not have to add. We are exciting to share our insight with you. Ease of use. Shopify has a user-friendly interface with an intuitive setup process. Since it's a hosting platform, you do not have to worry about managing technical aspects like security or hosting. Shopify lets you quickly set up your store, add product, and customize the design perfect for those with little coding knowledge. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a WordPress plugin that transforms a website into an online store. It's offer more control and customization, but has a stepper learning curve. You must manage security, hosting, and update yourself or through a hosting provider, making it a less beginner friendly. Scalability. If your business is growing and you need to handle high volume sale, Shopify can scale with you. It support business of all sizes, from small shop to large enterprises. Shopify including inventory management, secure payment gateway, marketing tool, and a wide range of plugins from its app store. With WooCommerce, scalability depend on your hosting provider. Since it's open source, it offers endless customization and flexibility, but scaling require a more powerful hosting plan, with increasing cost. While you can create a highly customized store with WooCommerce, finding the right combination of plugin take effort. Shopify is the better option for scalability, since it's handle all technical aspects for you. Themes and design. Shopify offers 70 professional themes that are easily customizable and optimized for mobile devices, providing a seamless shopping experience. WooCommerce offers thousands of WordPress and themes, both free and premium. However, not all themes are designed for e-commerce, so you must choose carefully to ensure they fit your need. While WooCommerce gives more flexibility, Shopify provides a simpler way to achieve a polished look with minimal effort. Customer support. Shopify provider 24 by 7 customer support by email, live chat, and phone for all plan. Their support team is responsive and can quickly resolve any issue. WooCommerce support varies depending on your hosting provider, theme, or plugin developer. While there is an active WooCommerce community with former and documentation, getting directly assistant can more challenging compared to Shopify. Dropshipping. Shopify integrates with multiple popular dropshipping vendors. While costs vary, you are limited to Shopify approved plugin. WooCommerce offers thousand hundred of vendor integration, giving you more choice. If you are running a small business with low order volume, you can choose per item delivery option instead of monthly subscription. Pricing. Shopify offer a 3-day free trial 3-day trial, after which you can select a plan that fits your need. The basic plan start at $19 per month, with premier plans reaching $299 per month. These plans included security, hosting, and support. WooCommerce is a free plugin, but you must pay for domain registration, hosting, and any premier theme or extensive you need. Hosting costs range from $5 to $30 per month. Domain name every $15 per year, and SSL certificates can range from free to $100 per year. WooCommerce costs depend on how do you customize your store. Payment option. Shopify support multiple payment options, including its own Shopify payment powered by Stripe. However, Shopify charge an additional 2% fee on each transaction unless you use Shopify payment. The fees is reduced to 0.5% for advanced plan. WooCommerce supports Stripe, PayPal, and various other payment gateways like Amazon Pay, Alipay. Since WooCommerce is self-hosted, you only pay transaction fee from your bank or payment processor. Final thought. Ultimately, the choice between Shopify and WooCommerce depend on your need, technical experience, and budget. If you want a simple managed platform with built-in support, Shopify is a great option. If you prefer full control, customization, and potentially lower long-term cost, WooCommerce may be the better choice.